Got me and Churp Outdoors, Nico here, and we're at grandma's property. Got the KLX and we got his Big Bear 350. We're gonna be going out doing a little bit of work on the track. I believe his uncle plowed it some, so we're gonna go throw rocks out. And we're gonna be designing another part of the track where we have a straight stretch. We're gonna turn it into a corner section.
A little smoky.
I'll try to get down there with the GoPro and see if I can bring you out there. Now we gotta go pick up all these rocks. That's our starting gate there. He tipped over the garbage, looks like.
Like what?
So yeah, that's what it looks like. Yeah, we just gotta get the bigger rocks out of here.
Like this fucker's not gonna hurt a fucking disc. And the smaller ones just kick dirt over so you don't see them.
Oops! I mean, it'd be nice if you put them in a spot where we weren't gonna walk.
Oh, okay. You want to know you're not gonna walk there.
Me and Churp Outdoors are here today at the track. Probably just gonna put this all into one big video of all the days. Most of them at least. We got it cultivated today with that little drag thing. We kind of worked on our toilet. We got this all shaded out, dug the toilet down a little bit, got some shade in here, and it works. Not the most important part, definitely. Got the trash can. Got all this here. We got it decently done. At least on this side. The back side is really wet still. So we gotta move some stumps and shit like that. But we've been ripping the pit pick on her a little bit, you know, just kind of seeing how the dirt is. It's decent here. And come around, here's the corner. See, it's kind of dug up, so the cultivator kind of worked. I'll come through here. Really ripped up these jumps actually, but we're gonna be building them up with the ASB anyways. We're gonna have our Nico's grandma's neighbor do it. Nice enough to come down here and help us out pretty quick. So I believe Nico's uncle is gonna be disking it the whole track either tonight or tomorrow. Actually, the cultivator worked really good on the hill. We still gotta pick rocks and throw them off because after you plow it and do all that, there's a bunch of rocks. Something in there. But yeah, this area got tore up really good. Look at that snake. Missed him. Bunch of rocks still. But yeah, so once we get it disked, then we're gonna throw rocks again. So we're gonna have to pick rocks again, stupid rocks. And then, see, it's what it looked like before we cultivated it. Actually, I'll show you down here what it looks like before we cultivated it. And come back here, we tried to, it's just too rocky. Well, not really rocky, it's too, the ruts are so deep so we're getting hung up. And then back there it's really wet. So, this is all clay though. Should be good for building. Jumps are gonna push up a tabletop here, I'm thinking. Or we might actually go in there eventually. We're debating about making like a V in there. But yeah, so this definitely needs to be disked. Show you guys a track. Are you peeing in that cone? You weirdo. Here's gonna be the starting line. Somewhere right here. Since I don't have a clutch, I can't dump the clutch, I'm just gonna do burnout. Yeah, I ain't going back there because I'll get stuck and it'll take me forever, but you guys get the point. Keep in mind, this is not for pit bikes. This is going to be an actual dirt bike track. Big bikes and possibly quads. Because I've got my YFC now. If I get the thing running, I think we're going to get a Predator 500 for him tonight. So yeah, I'll probably just put this into a bunch of videos. See you later, guys. Getting it disced up. Working pretty good.
It's a whole lot of ways I could get my cash up. Nigga, you ain't got no backup. You should back up. All the hoes say I'm handsome. I got my bands up. I got bands now. My head